brings us to our calves. It's my favorite thing to watch people roll at the gym because most people, it's not a fun area to roll. The painful expressions on people's faces just really gets me, okay? All right. So basically, again, left leg here, just showing you the left side first. If this is gonna be too much, I might just do this. So I'm not sure, haven't rolled my calves in a long time, so as an example, I'm gonna just start like this. So I push the roller all the way out so that I can put my one foot, I got my right foot braced on the floor, and just my left leg is on the roller. So I'm gonna lift myself off and just try to roll that calf here. Okay, now I can play around, I can point my foot, I can flex my foot, just playing to see how that is. All right, that's not that bad, I don't really feel too much. So bring that roller back in, and now I'm gonna use my right leg exactly how I rolled my hamstring. I'm gonna add that weight of my right leg pushing down into the roller to now roll my left calf again. So here we go, oh, way better, there we go. Whew. So yeah, feeling that now, okay? So, and again, same thing, you can kind of play around, roll. So you've got a set of muscles on the outside here called your perineal group or perineal muscles, peroneus, a whole bunch of different types, but basically they're ankle stabilizers here on the side. Most common muscles sprained in a high ankle sprain, just FYI. So if you're trying to get these guys, not a fun area to roll, but basically you would just tilt over, right? So you're on the outside part of the calves. Oh, and then basically you would roll like this, okay? So there we go. It requires a lot of effort with this one, but you get the idea. I'm basically holding a side plank position as I roll my perineal group, okay? Oh, and then back down. Calves are honestly usually very surprising for most people. Unless you roll them a lot, it might be very painful for you to start, so be very careful, okay? Be gentle with the calves. But again, for everything that we're gonna roll here, I would say try to aim for at least 20 rolls, maybe 30 rolls, or either just maybe time it, see what a minute per muscle feels like, and maybe you need a little bit more, maybe you need a little bit less, but basically I would start around the 1 minute mark or maybe 20 rolls, okay?